Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to cancel Pizza Hut online order. Your first step is to contact Pizza Hut's customer service team, as this is the only way to initiate the cancellation of a delivery order. You have two main options for reaching out. The quickest and most direct method is to call Pizza Hut's customer service phone number, which is 1-800-948-8488 in the United States. Locate your order details like the order number before dialing. Provide order details whichever contact method you choose. The Pizza Hut customer service representative is going to need some key details from you to locate and confirm your specific order. After that, provide your name, phone number, and any other contact details you originally gave when placing the order. This allows them to pull up the right customer record. Next is to state your reason for canceling after the customer service rep has your order details in front of them. They'll likely ask for your reason for wanting to cancel this particular delivery. Whatever the reason, state it politely and directly. If everything checks out with your order details and reason for canceling, the next step is to get final confirmation from the customer service rep that your order has officially been canceled. If your Pizza Hut delivery order was prepaid online or over the phone, then you'll likely want to request a refund after cancellation has been processed. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.